Here we have a problem on proportion. If A is equal to B divided by 2 is equal to C by 5, then find A is to B is to C. So to find the ratio A is to B is to C, I must be knowing the value of A, B and C. We have to find the value of find the values of A, B and C from the conjugate ratio A is equal to B divided by 2 is equal to C by 5. Okay, let's take the given conjugate ratio, that is A is equal to B divided by 2 is equal to C divided by 5. Okay, see, in this conjugate ratio A is equal to B divided by 2 is equal to C by 5, whatever value we have for A, the same we'll have for B by 2 and C by 5, because all of them are equal. If I say that A is equal to 100, then the value of B by 2 will also be 100 and the value of C by 5 will also be 100. But I do not know whether the value of A is 100 or something else. So I assume the value of A is K, then the value of B by 2 will also be K and the value of C by 5 will also be K. So we can equate all these three to K. So we have A is equal to K, B divided by 2 is equal to K and C divided by 5 is equal to K. Then we have B is equal to 2K, C is equal to 5K. Okay, now I got the values of A, B and C. So the ratio A is to B is to C is equal to K is to 2K is to 5K. Okay, now we have to simplify this ratio. There is a common divisor K for all the three terms, so I am going to divide all the three terms by K. When I do so, I get A is to B is to C is equal to K, and K will get cancelled, we get 1, and here K can be cancelled, we get 2, and here we get 5. So the ratio A is to B is to C is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 5.